Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady M Beauty. Today we're doing a little get ready with me using some of my newness that I picked up during the Sephora savings event. If it's your first time here, my name is Melissa. I go by the name Lady M online. If you love all things beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. All right, super excited to be getting into today's video. The Sephora sale just ended and I am super excited to be testing out some of the goodies that I recently picked up during the Sephora sale. If you haven't checked out my haul video, then be sure to click the link right here to check out that haul video. So yeah, I figured we could sit and go through testing out some of the new products. I got a lot of stuff from Yves Saint Laurent, so that is what we're gonna be getting into today. So foundation is one of my favorites, the All Hours foundation. I am in the shade DN5 Deep Neutral, and that is what we're going to be using. What we're going to use today is the setting powder and the bronzer from YSL. I already did a video using the concealer. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to click that link in right here and you can check out the video of me reviewing the YSL concealer. So yeah, I am going to started out with priming. I use the YSL Glow In Balm. This is like their primer. It does offer some SPF, so that is also a good thing. It is SPF 30. Okay, nice. And it doesn't have a lot of, I've never seen any flashback, and I have taken photos with this and I have not noticed any flashback. Again, so if you have a thing for smell, then if it bothers you or irritates you, then you're gonna want to skip out on this. So quickly just using the foundation because I really want to get to the star of the show, which is the setting powder, which is, they only have the translucent that is on Sephora's website, but I was able to get another shade in the setting powder from Nordstrom. They had other shades in the translucent powder. So I did not pick that up from Sephora, but I got that from Nordstrom. I'm also getting ready to post a haul video, just a recent haul video. A lot of items are gonna be more luxury items, and I picked those up from Nordstrom. So stay tuned for that video coming to showcase some of that. Now this coverage is, you can get full coverage from this, but I'm pretty satisfied with this coverage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my concealer off camera, and then we'll be back for the powder and the blush, okay? Okay, so along with the YSL goodies, I picked up the COUTURE mini clutch, and this is high intensity pigments, longwear, and comfort. I picked up the color series 300, which is Kashba spices. I don't know. So I'm gonna do some quick swatches. I'll show you what it looks like. So I don't want the brushes to fall out. It comes with a couple brushes, and then inside you can see it has like a brown, orange shade, and then it has some light shades. So zooming in for you. It's right there. So let me do some quick swatches for you. So it has like, you could do a lot of looks with this. That is what the shades look like. So this is the one shimmer shade. This is the matte brown shade. This is the orange-ish shade, and then that clear nude shade. So right there, you can see what the shades look like. So I think today I'm gonna go in with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna put the brown shade, if I using a fluffy brush, a little bit of kick up, and I'm just going to put that wash of color in my crease. Oh my gosh, that color is pigmented. Oh my gosh, it's a lot darker than I anticipated. So I'm just gonna have to spend a little bit of time blending that out. A lot of blending. So I know next time not to go in with so much, but what I can do now is just take the lighter color and then just use that to diffuse the edges. This has a little smell to it. Not like a bad smell, but just like a fragrant smell. So, all right, so the YSL product is called the All Hours Hyper Finish. This is a matte powder. It has hyaluronic acid infused, and it's a matte powder. So still have my foundation on. Only thing I did was my eyes and concealer. So now I am going in with this product. Again, I purchased this at Nordstrom. The one that Sephora had was the translucent, and I didn't want to use the translucent, and I picked up the shade 8. So this is what the product looks like. When I was in the store, I actually tested this just on my bare face, and it looked gorgeous. So you, are able to just use it on your skin, because that's what I did, and it just blurred. It like took away all the oil from me. Does have some fragrance, so again, just be mindful of that. If you have sensitivity in your skin, or you don't like fragrant products, because this does have some fragrance. So this is shade 8. Again, the color that Sephora had at the time of the sale was the translucent, and I didn't want to use that because it was white, and I was like, I don't think this is gonna work. So I went into Nordstrom, and I saw that they had like other shades. So what does it look like? It has like some shimmer to it, but I could be wrong. Nonetheless, I don't think it affected my makeup or anything. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. Now this I did pick up at Sephora. It's the All Hours Hyper Bronze. It's a multi-use bronzer, and it has hyaluronic acid. I got the darkest shade, and it was number 5. It looks really light in the packaging when you look at it, but when I swatched it in the store, it looked really good. It wasn't like red or anything like that. It was Let's see. It does look like you can't see it, but I can see it. Can you see it? It is the darkest shade, actually. So, do you see it? Ooh, okay. I can see it. Now, let me see. So it's kind of reminding me of, I love the Dior bronzer, and it was kind of like the same. I think I had got shade 7. So there I can see the bronzer, actually very subtle. If you are darker than me, then I don't think this will work for you. So they could definitely do some shade extensions just to have, and on my forehead I can definitely see the color a lot better there. Okay, so just off of that, I definitely think I'm going in. Like, that is my brush going in, and the color payoff is just not there. So I'm a little bit disappointed with that. But if you were lighter than me, then this would look gorgeous. But I do feel much is to be desired from the shade. So yeah, that's my first impressions. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face and then we'll be back. So I finished off the rest of my face. I did go in with this Candy Glaze by YSL. I just added a brown liner and I added a little glossy gloss on top. So yeah. Now the foundation I already really loved. So this was more so just about the powder and the bronzer. Now, as I applied the bronzer, I basically gave my feedback in the moment when I was like, excuse me? Yeah, where is it? Now, it showed up on me for sure. I do love it. It's soft, it's subtle, but I think that if I were a little bit darker, it would not work for me. So I think they could do a better job. They need to add some extra shades to the bronzer for sure. The powder was gorgeous. Like I said, I used the powder on its own. When I was in the store, the girl applied the powder on my skin. I didn't have any foundation on, and it just like instantly removed my oils, mattified, blurred, and smoothed my face. So the powder it didn't really have any color to it, but it did just like even out my skin, removed my oils. So I'm definitely here for the powder. I don't think I can swatch the powder, but I will, just to give a little, you see, that's the color of the powder. So I guess I would say it does have a little color to it. But if I blend it out, let me just blend it out on my arms. You can see how that just looks smooth and nice. So very soft texture, not gritty or anything like that. And then I guess I should swatch the bronzer just so that you can get a visual. See, like on my hand, it has like pretty good color payoff. Do you guys see that? I'm trying to zoom in so you guys can see. Yeah, color payoff is there. And then I'm going to swatch. So, oh, that's the bronzer right there. Don't even think you can see it. Oh my God, that's the bronzer. Wow. And this is the darkest shade, it's 5. Ooh, yeah, no. Now let me see, because sometimes, you know, you can build it up. And I really feel like you shouldn't have to build something up. So right there, you can kind of see, let me see. Right there, you can kind of see the color payoff just a little bit. So I do think that, I mean, it works for me. It gives what I'm going for. So definitely for me on the days that I'm doing like a no makeup look, I think just something minimal, like if I was doing a skin tint, and I just wanted a little bit of color, I think that it would work for me. Now this packs a punch. This eyeshadow and this shimmer shade, my gosh, it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It does pack a punch. That dark shade kind of surprised me a little bit. So I do think that if you're gonna go in with the dark shade, just beware, it's very pigmented. So I would just lightly, or get a, you know, put it precisely, or get a big fluffy brush just to dust it over you. But I do think this can give you a nice smoky eye for sure, because it is pigmented. Okay, so that is it, guys. We did a little quick get ready with me using some newness from YSL, and pretty much my whole face was YSL except for the concealer. But I do recommend the foundation. That's my jammy jam. And then, I mean, you tell me, is it eaten or nah? I feel really good. I love how everything came out. Just, you know, a little bit of nuances. Overall though, I do think that I'm loving the look. Okay, so for my mascara, I did go in with the YSL Lash Clash mascara, and that has quickly become a favorite of mine. Now, if you love a colorful mascara, then you should try the blue one. Listen, YSL makes the best, most colorful, most pigmented blue mascara. So I thought that it would be kind of fun in the summertime to kind of just add a little bit of color with the blue mascara. So yeah, that's the final look. Love how everything turned out. Pretty much everything that I used will be listed in the description box down below. So click the link to find out what all I used. And yeah, that's it for today's quick get ready with me using some newness. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking. What are your thoughts on the bronzer? And then what are your thoughts on the finishing powder? Would love to hear what your thoughts are. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Before you sign off, if you aren't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, that's it. Bye.
Oh, oh, oh.